Ka Kanhun Menteri ka Jela Meghalaya ka Lamanjur ban Penkelaya ka Meghalaya Outstanding Sports Policy but ka draft Meghalaya Outstanding Sportsman's Direct Appointment Service Rules ban ai jing matoy Nongïalehkai da ka Bapenkai ka Special Cadre Nongïalehkai ki pawnam. Ukonrat kongkal sangma uloong baka rule ka batmai kan ailat Nongïalehkai ki bajab ikta kama ka Nongïalehkai bala itu kum ka Olympics bat ka National Games ba ntung kam bet haki tenat sorkar. Lihaturu ban sepenkai ke Special Cadre na kebentak Nongïalehkai Ba pawnam ban pentikena bakan amdan gejipentut gejin penkiu kerdan bat kiwe gejin mentoy ya kiwe pat kinong tre jong kitrat.
As you're aware that there is a 2% reservation for sports persons in the reservation policy. And in the past, there was always a confusion as to who will certify these sports persons and how will they certify, and who are recognized, who are not recognized. So today we have come out with a small rules and process under which the sports persons 2% category will be certified by the sports department, by the directorate, and this is an online application the sports persons have to give. And once they give that application, a set certificate will be given to all eligible individuals, so that with that certificate they're able to apply for this 2% sports person category reservation, because it was not there earlier. Also, as per the 15th Finance Commission's rules, or rather the recommendations, as you are aware, that an additional 0.5% of debt to GSDP ratio was allowed in the to be taken up in the physical deficit of 3.5% was allowed. I stand corrected. Physical deficit of 3.5% was allowed. So therefore, every year, every state government has to pass this. The Fiscal Responsibility Budget Management Act has to be amended so that it allows the particular state to take that 0.5% additional amount. As I said, this is for the whole country. Every state is allowed, and this has been allowed by the Finance Commission. So based on that, this year also we are amending that. So that was one of the agendas that was taken up, and of course this will be placed in the assembly for approval. At the same time, in continuation with that, we have also come out with approval for the draft Meghalaya Outstanding Sportsman's Direct Appointment Service Rules. So the rules have also been approved so that this can go ahead. And basically, we have decided that we will come out with a special cadre. In this case, in a nutshell, a special cadre will be there, where those who get the medals in those specific tournaments that we've mentioned, like Olympics or the national games, South Asian games. So there are few selected games which are categorized. So this does not apply to all, as you all know. It's not that every single championship this applies to. It applies to the recognized games. There are 6 of them. So based on that, whoever gets a medal, and based on the medal, a certain category will be given. And we have decided, as I said, in order to ensure that there is no effect in the service of other employees and the staff in the departments, that there will be a special category that will be created. A cadre will be created for the sports person, outstanding sports person, and it will be as per the individual, and that post, of course, will discontinue once the person retires. So that will ensure that we give the post to the person, as well as we ensure that there is no disturbance in the promotions and other things for the other service, other staff of the departments. So these rules were made today. Were passed today in the cabinet.